Hi guys, welcome back to the RCMX channel. Today we're going, not saying we, I, as Tom is away at the moment for his birthday, he's gone away. Sorry, don't mind me choking on some popcorn. He's gone away, so just making a nice quick simple one this week. We did a review video on the RB10 something like maybe a month ago or so, I think it is. Anyway, so it's quite a slow buggy. It's a great starter buggy, but it's quite slow. So what we're going to show you today is the best way to do speed upgrades for it. So now the first way I upgraded the RB10 speed was I took the gearing out of the HSP Viper and just put it in there. That's all it is, straight gear swap, very simple, very easy to do. You just take off the gear cover, put the gears on, and that's it, done. That'll maybe give you an extra 10, 15, 20 k's an hour. Next thing you can do is put a higher kV motor in it. So I then went and put a 4000 kV motor in the RB10, which makes it much quicker again from just the gearing. So gearing plus the 4000 kV motor makes it a hell of a lot quicker. And then just for good measure, I've decided to go and make it 3S. So I've put a Spectrum 3S ESC in it. And yeah, we'll go take it. Now, the whole thing, this might be a bit confusing to you, but we originally filmed me putting this together when Tom was still around. And then we did the driving, so all that's all been done now. But then all the footage for the workshop in here got corrupted, so this is the best you're going to get, unfortunately. There will be more videos on the RB10 coming out in the future, so don't miss out on them. Don't like and subscribe if you want to hit the bell if you want to see more. And yeah, enough waffle from me. Let's see how fast all those upgrades take it.
Right, we're about to go for a rip with the RB10. Charlie's over there. Very slightly out of focus, but hey, having the time of his life. Right, so we can record the speed on this thing, and we've got the car there. Let's go.
It's so much quicker now than it was. I think
it's a lot quicker than it was.
An hour, maybe 25.
So yeah, I think it was around almost 30 last time. So.
And when I hit the brakes, it was at 180.
Yeah, because it's two-wheel drive. All right. All right. So the speed, we hit stop, we hit read, and 56 kilometers an hour.
That's pretty good.
Miles will be up somewhere on here on the screen. Somewhere, yeah, we'll figure it out.
So I'm going to do one more, see if we can get faster, then we'll run it on 3S and see how it goes.
One more, so let me set this thing back up again. Back, track, start. Alright, let me get this in focus. Hands off.
Whoa.
You going, or you...
That was weird. This thing is a lot more uncontrollable now. With the fast 4000 kV motor and a slightly bigger pinion, it's crazy.
Right, bring it back, let's have a look at what we got.
And now those 180s, they're not me.
Really?
That's just me hitting the brakes and it's going.
Damn.
What do we get?
So we go to, hang on a second. Alright, press the button.
Right. Read. 55. Oh, slower.
A kilometre less. Jeez, not good enough.
Oh well.
Alright then. All good here?
Yep. All good here.
Okie dokie. Alright, so it came out pretty much unscratched apart from the fact that there seem to be some spaces missing that go...
or not, we don't know.
Just here on the shocks. As they do, they just space it out.
They're very loose.
Alright, they're loose, he says. We're now going to run it 3S. Bit of fun.
Yep.
So we'll get
now. Anyway, so last time I ran a car like this, HSP Grampus on the 3S with the same gearing, same motor. We clocked, I think it was 97 kilometers an hour.
Sounds about right, yeah.
So we'll see what we get here. I reckon we'll maybe get 85, just because it's two-wheel drive and not four-wheel drive. But we'll see how it goes.
So
What?
my remote's still turned on. Alright, shall I put that in the car? I have to go turn off the remote on the Vendetta. That's another video that'll be posted. Probably before this one, I think. We'll see what happens though. Right, so I'm going to hit track, which is already on there, whoops, and start. So is now reading it, and it can tell me live what we're doing, and also then I can also then go to where it will tell me the average speed, the top speed, that kind of stuff. Good stuff, you know. You right there, Charlie?
I'm very scared.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
This could go horribly wrong.
Yeah.
Horribly wrong.
Let's see what happens though.
Oh wow.
Sounds quicker.
That's moving.
Might not be able to hear it so well, but whoa!
That is absolutely
Holy
moving.
crap!
Right, so you want to record it?
Yep, you have to bring it back in so I can get the thing
Oh,
on.
I was going to start the GPS.
Yeah, I started
That's
the
not full
GPS.
speed.
What?
Hang on. You know what, we'll see what we got there and then we'll...
That wasn't full speed?
Nope, not even close.
Oh, right. Well, we just so you know, we got, so stop, read,
77 now. Yikes, I'm scared.
And he was doing just about half throttle, was it?
Something like that.
Okay.
I got my shoes dirty.
Oh, boo, white, blue, white.
Shoes dirty.
Beautiful new shoes.
Poop, I'll clean them when I get home.
Poop.
Right, let's go. Now I'm going to be careful here because this could very easily flip on its back.
Ow, Aussie. I mean, not ow, whatever.
There we go, full speed. That is quick. Full speed again.
Ooh.
I don't think RB10s are meant to go this fast.
No, I don't think so either. You could ask Tim Associated what they think.
Yeah.
Bring the car back in for a second. Alright.
The gears don't sound happy though.
No. Alright, let's see what we got.
What did we get?
So, hit stop, read.
86. What did I say? I said 85?
Yeah, he said 85.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
And the average speed was 39 kilometers an hour. To it being slow.
Yeah, that's because it's me.
Yeah.
Well, how about that? 86 kilometers an hour for an RB10.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
I mean,
I'm not sure it was intended to go that quick, but hey.
Hey, for all we know, it's the world's fastest RB10. Have to do some research, but that might be a world record.
Who knows?
We'll find out, I
Or
guess.
the unofficial one.
Yeah, well, hey.
World record in the bag.
Pretty much.
Might be this. Oh, I'll probably have a world record for the fastest HSP Grampus.
Oh, surely.
117.
Hey, if you guys want us to recreate that Grampus, drop some comments down below.
Let us know.
Let us know, yeah. And we might reconvert it back and try and run it 120 k's an hour this time.
You're not beating me with that thing.
Right, all later in other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
See you later.